Bawk, bawk, bawk. We're making a balloon chicken. That's excellent. Ready to hatch some fun? Please welcome in Clown Action.
Start by pumping up a 260 yellow balloon. Make one loop twist. Then another one. These will form the cheeks. Now pump up a 260 white balloon. Tie it onto the yellow balloon you've just made. Then make one 5 cm bubble on the white balloon. Tie it onto a 5 cm bubble on the yellow balloon. Then make another 5 cm bubble on the white balloon, and those will be the two eyes. Then make two 3 cm bubbles and tie them together. Repeat that another time and wrap them around. This will make the chick's hair. Now make another 5 cm bubble as the back of the head and tie it back to the loop twists. With the remaining white balloon bits, you can now pop it and tie a knot. Then make a 3 cm bubble, then make 2 pinch twists. Make an 8 cm bubble, and then another one and fold it onto itself. Twist them together to make sure it's secure. With the remaining bit, squeeze out a smaller bubble and pass it through the bits you've just made to make sure it's secure. Now adjust everything to make sure it looks symmetrical. Now pump up a 260 orange balloon. First, start by tying it to the small balloon at the bottom to make the feet. Make a 3 cm bubble, then a pinch twist, a 1 cm bubble spacer, and another pinch twist, and then another 3 cm bubble. This makes one of the foot. Repeat the same for the other foot. With the remaining bits, you can now pop it and tie a knot. With the remaining bit of the orange balloon, you can now make the beak. Pump up a 4 cm bubble, then split it into half. Twist them together and tie a knot. Now tie the beak onto its head and wrap it around a few times. And now the twisting part is done. Grab a black marker and give it some eyes. If you have a colored marker, shade in the pupils too. And now you're all done.
Wow, I have a balloon Easter chicken. Please comment down below what you want to make next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.